mint chicken coconut milk stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the non-veg recipes, one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes and one of the most different of the mint recipes. Today we are going to make mint chicken coconut milk stew. The ingredients are around 600 grams of chicken cleaned and cut into pieces, 1 spoon of caraway seeds, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of coriander seeds, around 3 sprigs of mint leaves, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 3 red chillies. Into the grinder, put in the ginger pieces and 1 red chilli, and half of the garlic and 1 piece of tomato and 3/4 of the mint leaves, and the coriander seeds, the fennel seeds and the caraway seeds. Put in 1 shallot. Now close and grind well. Heat the pan and put in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Put in the garlic. Pinkish color. You can saute. Garlic and the shallot. Put in the red and mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and the chicken thoroughly with each other. Now put in the ground mint, caraway, coriander mixture. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly salt and mix. 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 Now pour in 300 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. And let mixture cook for 35 to 40 minutes. Put in 6 to 8 mint leaves and let it cook further for 35 to 40 minutes. Now the mint chicken coconut milk stew is ready. After 30 minutes it can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mint chicken coconut milk stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the non-veg recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mint recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.